This is Nathan trying to catch seagulls because I offered him a lot of money for it. You surely got to be fucking clever enough to know that you can't physically catch a seagull. Nathan, you got to sprint to him. I told him I've seen it done. You reckon's that would eat? See them? You got to sprint to them when they're fairly close.
Did you really that does this for a £5?
No, I said I'd give him all the money in my wallet. I know. I know, mate. Go on, talk to the camera. So, to a post-action interview.
Okay.
What happened?
I chased the seagull. She said to give me 30 quid if I can catch one. So I figure maybe there was a dopey seagull and then I may have caught one. Clearly I didn't. That's just pointless, really. No seagull, no money.
Any thoughts?
Wish I didn't do that. I did not benefit from it. I just thought if I could catch one, then money's money. Nah, pretty quick, really.
Stupid fucker.
White fucker. See, what did you do there for? I just flew into my hands and now I just sat there. 30
Too late.
30 quid in pocket and the free seagull. Wow.
Say bye.
Try.